Can you guys guess what we're doing today? We are going to be installing a racing seat. Yep, that's right, a racing seat. I have decided to go with the Buddy Club P1 Edition seat. Now there's a few reasons I chose this seat. One basically is because it's pretty small, pretty compact. It does a great job of bolstering at least my frame. And secondly, I actually dig how it looks. The black with the red stitching, it's really classy. It actually kind of reminds me of my seat in my Shelby GT350R. Now obviously the main goal of this is to get more secure when we're on racetrack, but also I'm hoping that this will lower the seat. Honestly, like my visibility through the front of the car could be a little bit better. My eye line is like right in line with kind of like the roof line. So even if I'm sitting at a light, I kind of have to like bend down and look at it. So I'm hoping this will take me down like an inch, maybe two. It'll probably be easier to get in and out of the car and my legs won't feel like they're hitting the steering wheel. And plus, I actually think I might be able to pass the broom test. Okay, so right here, I'm like, I am touching it. So if I was to put on a helmet, it will be even worse. I don't know how far that is, like 4 fingers. I think it's pretty unlikely I'm going to get 4 fingers more clearance by lowering the seat, but this is a good test. So this should be pretty straightforward. First step is just going to be to removing the seat. So these seats actually came on a set of planted rails. However, they're not for my car. So I got a new set of rails. Let me show you what I got. I haven't even opened these up. These are the PCI rails, Pro Car Innovations. And looks like they come with all the new hardware and everything. Solid build. Yeah, let's install these. Okay, so I'm getting ready to kind of mock these up. There's so many different adjusting points. I wanted to put it on the lowest setting, but I think that might be too low. So I got it on the second bolt, front and back, and I'm going to try to get it to sit in the car. Wow, this is way lower. Okay, we're not mounted in yet fully, but okay, we're way lower. I'm just a little bit far, a little bit back. Like first gear would be like a full arm extension, you know. So I have to figure out how to move it up. Not a lot, an inch or so. Wow, okay, big difference. This is gonna be a big difference. Okay, so I think I got everything kind of lined up here. I built the longest extension I could to try to reach this bolt. I think I got it. Okay, so I finally got it in. It was kind of a hassle, but here we go. The Buddy Club P1. I guess it's a limited edition. I was able to keep the factory seat belt. I attached it to the seat. It won't be perfect until I get harnesses. I'll need to put a roll bar and stuff like that, but I think it's good enough for now. And let's test out the broom test. I definitely feel a lot lower in the car. I'm not sure I'll be able to clear the helmet though. No, I'm still like a good inch or two. Probably away. Maybe if I slouch in there. I guess so, but now I'm like really low in the car. Actually, not a bad position though. Honestly. Yeah, I think all that's left is to get this thing on the road and see how I feel. I mean, race car, right? I feel all the bolstering like through the side here. I'm just planted. I know you guys can't feel that, but I wish you could. Well, I gotta readjust my mirrors actually. How can I do that? Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. All right, so yeah, if I just VTEC. Fun little car, not fast, but fun. I'm just gonna keep my eye out for another track day. I might try to go next weekend. We'll just see. My schedule with work has been pretty busy, but lots more stuff going on with all the cars actually. And oh wow, this thing is an animal. Especially with the seats, like you can throw it anywhere you want to. It's really nice, really nice. All right, that's it for me. Ladies and gentlemen, Jason Andrews, AKA the All-American Driver. Whoa. And I'll see you guys in the next episode.